Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2011 Ford Escape and I will show you which fuse and which relay to check in case your front blower motor stopped working. This video will apply to Ford Escapes made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. Both the fuse and the relay will be located in a fuse box under the front hood, which is right here just next to the battery. Now to leave this cover you will have two black clips, one here on this side and another one on the other side. So to leave the cover you can just leave the clip on this side up and remove the cover. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. First thing you want to check, it's a fuse number 12, which is a 40 amp fuse located right here, and this is the fuse responsible for power to the front blower motor. And once you have checked the fuse, just next to it right here, this is the relay number 21C, and this is the front blower motor relay. Now the best way to test it, just try to switch it with any of the other ones of the same kind and see if that makes a difference. If it does, just buy a new relay. The price for a new relay is around $5-6 and that should fix your problem. If both the fuse and the relay are good, then most likely you'll have to replace the front blower motor or look into the wiring. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.